Hey, so today we're gonna making popsicles. We're gonna make mango and coconut milk. So you can use whatever fruit you want, like oranges, bananas, and whatever fruit you have. But today we have 2 mangoes, but we already cut one up, so we're gonna be using 2 mangoes. There's skin in there. Some coconut milk. And then you do need popsicle molds, or you could just shape them yourself.
Kind of need popsicle molds.
Kind of need them, but a spoon, a knife, a blender, and mangoes.
And an adult to help you cut the
Yes,
mango.
and an adult.
Okay, so I'm going to cut the mango right down this, right off center to get a half, and then cut the other side. So it's now kind of like an avocado, and you can slice chunks and scoop it out with a big spoon. That's the easiest way I've found to cut up a mango. So just scoop these big chunks out just like this. One half and the other half. Okay. And Harper, do you want to move the cutting board out of the way? Just move the cutting board.
Okay.
Okay, I'll move the knife. You can carry that around.
I thought you were gonna use this.
I won't need it.
I get to eat that?
Yeah. Okay.
Now, after that, you're gonna pour the coconut milk in. In normal popsicles, if you don't want to make the ones we're making, you just put in the fruit and blend it up. Right?
Yeah, and you might need to add some sort of liquid so that it can puree in the blender. So like this, we'll see how this purees. We might need to even add a little water.
So just water and fruit if you don't have that kind of milk. Or if you're not making this. And you shouldn't do it in other popsicles because it won't taste the same. So now you're going to put it to smoothie. You're going to put it to smoothie.
We're going to start low.
Okay, so let's put it on low. Yeah, so we get as much popsicle as we actually want, and then you take, once you scrape it all, so first you just pour them in here. And then you probably, you pour them in here, and then, okay, let's pour them in here. Pour.
And stop pouring too much.
Yeah. Oh, it's like
we can wipe it up
to the side. And it's okay if you get messy, because you can always scrape it up like a towel.
Okay, and then we're gonna just put the wet in the top.
Oh, we're gonna put the lids in the top,
and
then we let it freeze for about like 4 hours, I would say.
Yeah, probably about that. And
then what you do to get it off is you pour it under warm water. It might be a little hard to get off, but you pour it in warm water until it pops off, and then they're delicious popsicles. And by the way, if you want to add sugar, you definitely can. We're just making kind of healthier ones, because mango has a lot of sugar in them. But also it's kind of healthy for you. So we don't put any sugar in it. You can if you want to. but these are supposed to be healthy popsicles, more healthy ones than just real ones. But there is ones that we can make that are fudge. That sounds really good.
Okay, so go ahead and stick the...
So now you stick all of these.
Wait, oh no, okay, just a tiny bit.
Now you stick these. We have these. You can totally do different ones. Just like these because they're not as big as regular ones. And they give you a lot of them.
Okay.
So you just put them in the freezer for 4 hours. And then you run it under water, warm water. Definitely warm water. So thanks for watching. Bye. So hey guys, our popsicles are ready. So now we're gonna get them ready and eat them. So these are the popsicles. As you see, it's kind of coming out, and we're gonna run them under warm water for about 30 seconds or as long as you need to get the popsicle out. So here's the popsicle. It looks really good. So we're gonna try it. I like it. It's very good. I hope you like them too. Bye.